In late 2022, McDonald's New England was listing about 10,000 job openings per season. Filling them was key to capturing the growing demand for quick service food. But during a national labor shortage when all of McDonald's competitors were also hiring, it was a tall order. That was our task, and it wasn't one that we could solve by simply wading into the endless sea of job listings. So how could we prove that McDonald's locations across New England were places people should want to work? By telling genuine stories of the people who were already loving it. First, we turned local influencers into crew members for a day to serve up authentic stories of McDonald's special culture.
Just got my uniform. Let's go get changed and get ready.
Scoop some fries.
Told you I'm working here today.
These influencers got a taste of what the job was all about and heard what their new coworkers had to say about real life on the McDonald's team, firsthand and from the heart.
When he came to me and said he wanted to do this, I sat down with him on my lunch break. We filled out college applications. We did the essay together. He called me back and forth.
And with the help of local news stories, our approach saw millions and millions served with proof of why McDonald's was a great place to work. Owner-operators were loving the huge surge in applicants, and now they're duplicating the effort across New England and beyond, eager to boost their own hiring.